All right. So I have chosen to read my 100 words out of Mindy Kaling's autobiography entitled Is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me and Other Concerns? In this portion of the book, she is describing the first time she learned to ride a bike. I learned to ride a bike at age 12. That was crazy old for my neighborhood. I had been successfully avoiding learning for years, mostly by making a big show that I couldn't be torn away from whatever book I was reading. If my parents have any soft spot, it is for books. And I knew that the best way to get out of chores or sports or talking to elderly relatives on the phone was by holding up a book and saying, "But I'm just enjoying Little House on the Prairie so much." I may have read the entire Laura Ingalls Wilder canon.